Key lime mango pie. Ingredients for a 9-inch pie: 3/4 cup of mango pulp, half a can of condensed milk, half a cup of heavy cream, 1 sachet of unflavored gelatin hydrated in 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 2 egg whites beaten until stiff peaks. Once the unflavored gelatin is hydrated, dilute at a bain-marie or microwave oven. Start by beating the mango pulp a bit. Add the condensed milk and beat to incorporate well. Then add heavy cream. Then dilute the unflavored gelatin. To improve the tone of the filling mixture, add 2 or 3 drops of yellow food coloring. The whipped egg whites are added in 2 or 3 parts with a hand mixer, avoiding to beat too much. Pour the mixture into 9-inch pie shells and refrigerate overnight. Decorate with a border of whipped cream stars using a large star tip. With a very thin slice of lemon in the center. And slices of mango arranged like petals of a flower. This size pie makes 8 to 10 servings. It has a very good consistency and texture.